Warm greetings to everyone. So today in this video, in this lecture, we will talk about IELTS, spoken English improvement, communication skills, English comprehension and composition, and technical writing improvements. So first of all, I am talking about listening skill. So listening is art, and if you are master in it, surely you are going to be a great speaker. A good listener is always a good speaker. So listen English every day at least 20 minutes in the morning and 20 minutes in the evening. And another important skill is speaking skill. We must talk every day in English in order to achieve fluency, especially if you want to improve your spoken English. So many people are afraid to speak because they are shy. What other people will think if I will make mistakes? Mistakes are very common, so do not worry about mistakes. Just try to express yourself. In the beginning, everybody do mistakes, and always try to make new friends who are willing to improve their English as practice with them as much as possible. Another important skill is reading skill. So Richard Steele said reading is to mind and what exercise is to body. Reading is also an art. It's not necessarily if we will read a lot of, we will improve faster. If you read 10 pages but you can't learn something new, it's better to read 2 pages and read carefully. Read just for the sake of your personal understanding. What are you reading now? And do not try to remember, try to understand. Once you understand them, you don't need to remember. At least 5 to 6 pages must read on daily basis if you want to improve your spoken, if you want to improve especially in English language, if you want to speak like a native speaker. So another most important skill is writing skill. In reading part, you read 2 pages. You have to take 8 to 12 grammatical sentences from those 2 pages, and you have to write down in your notebook and read them frequently. Try to remember whole sentences rather than individual word meaning, because if you knew complete sentence then you can speak it very quickly. And last but not the least, this is the most important skill in communication skill, IELTS, English comprehension and composition, and all other important subjects related to English language, English literature, linguistics, and other subjects. Thinking is very important part of spoken English, because whatever you can think, you can speak. So make a habit to think in English. Everything takes time. In the beginning, it will be difficult, but when you will practice and practice, it will be part of your memory. And what it becomes your habit, then English will come naturally from your mouth. Try to take practice. For example, if you are not a native speaker of English language, if you are using English as a second language, so try to start in the form of words, then phrases, and then sentences. Try to think words in English and try to think phrases and clauses in English. I hope you people got it well. So again I repeat, practice makes a man perfect. Thank you.